Hey again. So the curriculum for this 12-hour course, like I said before, each hour is a full combination, so a full sentence. However, it does build in difficulty. The first hour is going to be your very, very, very basic introductory stuff. You're going to get my warm-ups, you're going to get my cool downs. Keep your body safe, keep your body limber, and all that good stuff. And then you are going to get your very, very fundamental standing dance moves. So your top rock and your very, very basic foundational circular footwork patterns and your very basic symmetrical footwork patterns. So all footwork flows either in a circle or side to side if you are learning foundation. And from there, you're going to get, the very basic practical application of it. So we're just going to be listening to some songs and dancing to those songs using these moves. By the time the end of the course rolls around, you will be able to not only you're not gonna be you're gonna be able to actually like dance. And by that time, the 12 hours is done. The last couple of hours are going to be actual application in a circle, actual application in an environment where everybody's socially dancing, practical applications for building beyond the course. So how to actually train yourself, and then really a bunch of cool resources that are going to help build your hobby. I mean, this is like the cool new hobby that you're taking on. You're learning how to break. It's awesome. And so I wanted to give you everything that I didn't have when I first started, which made it take so much longer to get where I am now. I had to kind of go and hunt for all of that stuff myself before before the internet made everything so easy. So I'm going to be giving you music that I'm going to give you, but instead of just giving you mixtapes, I'm just going to send you directly to the DJs that are making mixes and constantly updating their library so you can stay connected with them. Everybody that's taking this course is getting access to a private forum where we can all exchange. I will be there to mentor. I'm going to bring in other dancers from all around the country to mentor, and really for you guys as peers to help each other and build community. The forum is also going to be where people can be like, hey, like I live in Cincinnati, or I live in LA, or I live in Hong Kong. Where do I go practice? Where do I find other dancers? What's really awesome about this community is it's pretty tight knit, and because I was an event producer for so long, and so heavily involved for so long, I have connections all over the world, and can definitely point you in the right direction to find places to use this live and to connect with a real community locally where you live. And then beyond that, it's like the awesome history and culture of this dance form. I'm going to be sending you guys videos, sending you guys like documentaries, sending you guys people that inspired me, both contemporaries and people that are like way older and from the generation or two before me. Really just want to immerse you guys in the culture of this dance, and give you all the foundational tools for you to get started. It's really awesome. It's been really life-changing for me personally, because I've been able to travel all around the world and been able to make friends like immediately, because people that do this dance are just, it's like an open door. You tell somebody that, hey, I b-boy, and even beyond that, like just dance in general, that you always have a couch to stay on, you always have friends you can make, you always have people that get it. And yeah, it's been a really cool journey, and I really want to give that to y'all without having to come to me in person to train to get the same exact stuff. So yeah, let's get down. It's gonna be awesome.